Welcome to my live. Ayan, welcome to my vlog. Ayan, my vlog is Rico Suave TV. My sister is a cook because my sister is hungry. My sister is always hungry. Kamote mga kaswabe. Kamote. Yes. Yan. Pagkain ng mga pobre. Shout out din mga kaswabe. Then look mga kaswabe. Napakasarap. Amoy pa lang. Yan. So, ang gagawin natin mga kaswabe. So, ang gagawin natin ito is live selling today. And another selling. Order na mga guys. Order na mga kaswabe. Saan na pag-order nga po mas mga layo, mga ibang nasod. Are pa. Here. My name is Tinapay. Tinapay as alsa. This my sister is a cook bread. My sister is a no perfect cook bread. This bread now is a
bata
gulaman. Gulaman.
Bye-bye.
Kuan kanang unsa to?
Banana cake.
Kanang leche plan. My name is Bread. My middle name is leche plan. Yan. And then final mga kasabi des. Kamote Q. Let's eat merienda time. The time is 4 p.m. in the afternoon because not evening. Okay? Anong English sa merienda? Kaon-kaon ba? Pagkaon tagkuan mga kaswabe kani. Merienda time ka nakamuti ba? It's merienda time. No eating dinner ha? No eating dinner because the time is 4 in the morning. Go to evening. Up. Crispy ba? Hindi. Ayaw, crispy. Kamote Q. Anong English ng kamote Q? English kamote Q is a banana Q.
Sweet potato.
Potato sweet. My eating is a potato sweet. Like kamote. Okay? My sister is a slim. It's over slim. Okay? Not big. Me not big. She is a big.
Mama, nag-wait po si baby.
Suda yun. Cook. Serve.
Mama, wala daw po si mama. Ano lang, dala ko si baby kasi.
Okay. See my sister is a done cook. Me is already eating. And then,
Mama, kuha ko dala ko.
shake a kopi-kopi.
Kailan pa sinishake yung kape?
Partner, merenda. Shake a kopi-kopi. Shake a kopi-kopi with eating kamuti Q. You understand? You not understand no you eating, ha? Me is
Ano mo siguro ng bayanan eh?
me cook water and then after cook kulo. After cook kulo. After
Ano, di nakaka-istorya. Pangitok niya.
after kulo with
Si kopi-kopi.
shake kopi and then drink. Okay. Mga kaswabe, you listen me. Me tuk you not understand? Know it. You know it. You not understand talking to me? You know it. Ikapoy ang person. Ari na sa kalukuhan na rin. Siyempre. Here. Cook a water because she is drink coffee. Okay? Drink coffee. Coffee is a brown. Not red.
Nalipasan ang gutong gawin.
Okay. Kurutan man sa tanin. Sabi ang English yung diretso. May toyo for sale. Aray.
Tapos yung nag-istorya, may tuyo.
Aray ko. He? Okay. After cook water, she is kulo-kulo.
Tapos din plastic ng kopi, shake.
Okay, kamusak to.
Yapagay mo mama.
Aray. It's a merenda time. Okay? My baby is wake up because my mother is my mother is ingay-ingay.
Tama siya.